Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while since I made the video. Turned down the kind of hot out, so anyways, sorry about the fan. I'm going to pick up a bird that I just purchased. It's a Baldwin, no, it's a Wolverine hornet kind of bird. So, and you know, it's of course it's powder blue, related to my hornet bird that I call Mandalorian. So I'm gonna have to name actually, since we already got on the Star Wars path, I think you guys should name my birds. I'm gonna do an update later on the breeding, and maybe we can have some fun and you guys get to name the birds or suggest some names. So we'll stick with the Star Wars theme, since you know, I live in Florida by Disney. Alright, anyways, let me give you a tour of where I live. Alright guys, here's the birdie. Powder blue. Looks like Mando. Looking around a lot. His feet's a little dirty because I just got him out of the box, so yeah, he handles really well. Strong back. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, this is a nice bird. I'm gonna show you the pedigree in a minute, but this is it's gonna be related to the hornet that I got. Okay. Nice body, like that. So I'm gonna pair him up with it looks like a hen, but it's a cock. But yeah, look at that. Very nice bird. Looking around a lot. It's very active. All right. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you the pedigree in a second here. But for now, let me put him in a quarantine box. I'm sure I don't have to, but look at that. It's so well balanced. Pretty calm. Yeah, it's well balanced. Very nice. So I bought this from Richard Gorn, 4 flights. I'll show you his contact information. I think he's got he's trying to get reduce the size of his breeders. I don't know. That's last I heard anyways. That's why I have this bird, because he's got way too many. I don't know about way too many, but he's got plenty. Look at that. Whoa. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you I like the 3 the 10th, 9th, and 8th flights being the same length, like that. I like that. And I like that there's a big step between the 6th and the 7th. So it's pretty even. Okay, well, we won't get too excited until we see what the bird can produce, right? So I'm not really huge into pedigrees and stuff like that. I mean, you know, it's helpful, right? It's important, but I look at what I mean by that is I look at the results. So that's why I don't get too carried away. But you definitely want to buy good birds. You know, proven birds. It takes the guessing, and and cuts the time a little shorter instead of having to prove them yourself. Okay, now I like this bird a lot. Okay, let me put him in the quarantine section and we'll take a look at the pedigree. All right, guys, here's the pedigree. We called him Star-Lord. Here's a funny story. I swear we have a telekinetic connection with Richard Gorn here, because if you guys remember when I bought a Mandalorian, he named the Mandalorian. I was wearing a Mandalorian shirt that day. So, and he was showing me this bird, and he said he's gonna name him Star-Lord. And guess what I was watching that day or that night? I was watching Star-Lord. You know, at least not necessarily the Marvel Star-Lord, but the character who played Star-Lord. I was watching Jurassic Park. So I can't remember his name, but it's a guy who played the Star-Lord character in Guardians of the Galaxy. So anyways, so he's an Ornat class in Wolverine, powder blue cock. Let's look at here, direct son of Wolverine. Oh, actually here's the top side, which is the cock side. Sometimes you hear people say, you know, he's a Wolverine on top or class on the bottom. They're just saying, you know, Wolverine on the cock side. Okay. Anyways, double grandson of Wolverine is the father, and then the mom is, sometimes this thing is so hard to read with all the lines, Ornat class. Okay, right there. First drive 3 or 4 races, including final race, breeder fall classic, finished 14th average speed. Here's half sisters, a 0140, 0112, money winner, 50th against 7. Yeah, okay. Okay, so that's good. And then AFL, AFL is are the grandparents. So it's son of Ornat and Fantasy. I'm not familiar with Fantasy, but and then on the cock side, it's a GFL grandparents, direct daughter of Wolverine, and then direct son of Wolverine. And then you can trace it back to all the way to Wolverine, GFL, Ornat, Ado's pick, GFL. All right. And then class bird. Anyways, so there's the pedigree. I'm glad I'm able to share this with you guys. So comment. Put it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. And God bless you guys.